What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, your Hubaderong Kalakwacha from Singapore. But anyway, not anymore from Singapore. I'm actually here in the Philippines. I just got back from Singapore. So, now as you know, Philippines is, the Luzon part of the Philippines is under lockdown. So, I decided to share with you guys how I usually spend my boredom here in the Philippines during the lockdown period. So let's go, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. See you! So okay guys, like what I've said earlier, I'm gonna share with you how I spend my boredom during the lockdown period here in the Philippines because I really cannot go out because of what is happening right now. But I don't want to talk about it. Let's just spread good vibes. I know you guys are worried and scared, but of course, let's try to follow the community guidelines, the rules, so that, you know, let's stay healthy, of course. So that's it. And yun, maybe I'll share with you what I normally do during this period. Normally, I just wake up and do some workout routines, and later on maybe I will show you my son's bedroom because I made some changes. Let's do some room tour, and I'll show you also my studio room, my room studio. Maybe a studio tour, something like that, or my office tour. Okay, so let's go, guys. See you. Okay guys, I'm done with my workout. It's really hot here in the Philippines, so yeah, maybe for now I'm going to share with you my son's room because I did some makeover with my son's room. If you can remember, last time I did a room tour or a totally house tour, included my son's room. It's there. It's totally nothing. But yesterday I feel so bored, so now I want to share with you some changes. Let's go to my son's room. Okay guys, this is my son's room. Okay, yes, it's just a simple single bedroom. Yes. I did some furniture movements. I put the bed here. Before it's actually here, and since I put a TV over there, it's a 52 inches TV, so I decided to put the bed here so he can watch whatever movies, Netflix series over there on his TV. Yes, and he can actually put his gaming because my son really likes gaming, his PS4, whatever, etc. So he also have his laptop table here. Okay, and still I think on my previous room tour, still the same, nothing changes. I think once he arrive here, maybe he can do some changes, whatever he wants to do on his room. For now, that's the only changes I made. Yes, that's it. And as you can see here, um he has this what's this cabinet, I'm not sure. It's just because this cabinet is actually a Christmas present, so I put it there first. So if he wants to make some changes, if you want to change it into a wooden cabinet, he can do so, but for now I put it there first. Maybe he can do later on once he arrives here, because for now we have not seen each other because of the virus ek. So that's it. This is what I did yesterday. Yes. Yeah. Okay guys, aside from my son's bedroom, I also made the changes in one of our room. As you can remember, during my house tour, I shared with you, we got 3 bedrooms here, one for myself, one for my son, and another 1 room, which I turned into an office or a studio. So every time I do my vlog, I can use it as my studio. Or every time maybe I decided to do a sit-down vlog, I can just go there. But it's not actually finished yet, but I'm gonna share it with you first, okay? So let's go over there. Okay guys, welcome to my studio or my office. Yes, this is my office. Finally, it's just a simple studio, okay? And for now, this is my table, okay? It's actually a TV stand, guys, but I turned it into a table. Yes. So I'm still missing of an office chair here, okay? I might buy a stool bar, okay? So it's more higher for me. And as you can see, I have my Starbucks collection here. Yes. Wow. Yes, yeah. I usually collect a Starbucks tumbler with destination on it as my souvenir. Okay. Yes. This one. It's actually, if I'm going to count it, I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's 24 plus 24. I'm not sure. Yes. So these are my collection, my Starbucks tumbler. Okay. And of course, my Wi-Fi is there. Okay, my laptop. Okay. And this one, my colleague from Singapore made this for me. It's really touching. Yes. Before I left, they passed it over to me. So it really made me cry. Yes. So thank you guys if you are watching. So we will miss you until we meet again. We will miss you until we meet again. I'm gonna miss you also, guys. So these are my photography shots. I think they collected it. Maybe they took it from my Instagram. Okay, so these are my photography shots. Yes. So thank you guys for remembering me. Actually, according to them, this was supposed to be given 4 years ago during my birthday. But I think I'm not sure what happened. But of course, it's better to be late than never. Tama ba? So, ayan. So, these are my collections. Okay, my camera is there. Yeah. Okay. And this one, of course, my tripod. Yes. So far, that's it. So if you guys have some idea what to put here inside my office or studio, you can comment down below. So at least I might do some changes and, you know, to make it more beautiful. Okay, but I'm planning to buy an office chair first and maybe studio light. Then so far maybe I'm planning to put some frames here. But for now, this is it. Because I don't have much time to go out because of what is happening right now because of the lockdown. So yeah, but I like it. Just a simple studio or office. Okay, so I can do my sit down vlog here. I can do my editing here. Maybe my live streaming also I can do it here. So you guys, I hope can still support me during my stay here in the Philippines. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed how I spent my boredom during the lockdown here in the Philippines. And before anything else, please stay at home and stay healthy. So again, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Follow my only social media accounts on Instagram, _fearless_wonder_ so you can be updated sa upcoming videos. So that's it for today, guys. I'm going to edit my YouTube videos and please do watch out for it. Thank you.